based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
As you know, when Noah became king, he did not walk in the ways of his father. He did not keep the commandments of God, but he did walk after the desires of his own heart. And he had many wives and concubines, and he did cause his people to commit sin, and do that which was abominable in the sight of the Lord. And they did commit whoredoms and all manner of wickedness. And he laid a tax of 1/5 part of all they possessed to support himself and his wives and his concubines and his priests and their wives and concubines. For he had changed the affairs of the kingdom, and put down all the priests that had been consecrated by his father, and consecrated new ones in their stead, such as were lifted up in the pride of their hearts. Yea, and thus they were supported in their laziness, and in their idolatry, and in their immorality.
Never in our history have we had a king such as Noah.